Success on Fiverr in 2025 is all about strategy and focus. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to pick a niche that genuinely solves a problem. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to offer every service under the sun. Instead, hone in on one clear solution that people are actively searching for. In 2025, some of the hottest niches include AI video creation, SEO content writing, website design, social media management, and virtual assistants. A quick tip: use Fiverr's search bar to explore top gigs in your chosen niche. This will give you insight into what's selling and help you carve out your unique angle. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a gig that stands out. Think of your gig as your storefront. It needs to be irresistible. Start with a clear and searchable title. For example, I will write SEO friendly blog posts with ChatGPT is straightforward and tells potential buyers exactly what to expect. Next, focus on your thumbnail. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to design something bold and clean that catches the eye. Your gig description is crucial. Instead of just listing features, emphasize the benefits. Explain how your service will help clients achieve their goals. When setting up your packages, offer basic, standard, and premium options. This gives buyers flexibility based on their budget. Don't forget to use relevant tags to improve your gig's visibility. And here's a bonus tip: add a short intro video. People connect with people, and a video can help build trust. Now, let's talk about building trust through fast, high quality delivery. Your first few orders are critical for establishing your reputation. Aim to deliver quickly and over-deliver on value. Always maintain a polite and professional tone in your messages. After completing an order, don't hesitate to ask for honest feedback. Those 5-star reviews will significantly boost your credibility. If a client requests revisions, embrace it. A happy client is worth their weight in gold. Treat your first 10 clients like they're your best friends. They'll form the foundation of your long-term success. Promotion is key. Don't just rely on Fiverr's internal traffic. Get proactive and promote your gigs outside the platform. Share your work in Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Create engaging Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts showcasing your services. Offering limited time discounts can also attract early buyers and get the ball rolling. Remember, being successful on Fiverr isn't about luck. It's about clarity, consistency, and genuine customer care. Start with one high-demand gig, present it professionally, deliver with heart, and promote yourself smartly. In just 3 to 6 months, you could transform from having zero orders to enjoying a steady stream of clients and a reliable monthly income. Your Fiverr success story starts now. All it takes is that first step.